Evening, welcome to Be Repair. So tonight I have a laptop to repair. We've got a nice cracked screen. So this is a, let's see if we can find out, HP 1Y1Y0Y, whatever that is. So if I can give you any more information. That's a HP Pavilion. So obviously this has got a very cracked screen. Let's just flick it on so you can see, and hopefully you'll get a picture of how bad it actually is. There you go. So I'll just turn that back off again. So these are by far one of the easiest to do. Normally I would disconnect the battery, but this is a sealed unit, so we're not going to do that. We just got to be careful not to turn it on as we're operating on it. So first thing to do, which is the easiest, is just to pull this off. Now, just do it fairly carefully. There is adhesive that runs all the way around the three edges of the screen, so there's nothing along the top. But along the top, you've got the camera and all the rest of it. So we'll just undo that. So there we go. So this is by far one of the easiest ones to do. So it's literally a 4-screw job, and then the whole screen will come out. So it's just the 4 corners around the screen. So we'll just do each of those in turn. And finally our last one. Sorry, I'm trying to do this at an awkward angle as well so you lot can see. And that's done before, so there we go. And then the screen at this point will just drop out. So we can just lift this forward. In fact, I've done a wrong screw there. That was really silly of me. That's how much attention I was paying. But they're exactly the same, so I'm going to just move this along one so we've got the bracket screwed back in. Again, if you were going to replace the lid, then the screw that I've just undone, you just do the corner ones here, and then the whole lid drops away and you can do that. Right, so that's that. So down here, there's a small ribbon connector. It's got a little piece of tape over the top of it. It's really, really easy. So what we'll do is we'll peel the tape up. So it's going to be difficult for me to show this to you. So peel the tape up. And then this ribbon, this tape is attached to the ribbon that holds it in place. And then the ribbon you just push away from you and it will come undone like that. So that's our screen completely out. So then our new screen, I already have ready to go. Just to here. This is a brand new one, look, the little adhesive-y thingy is still on it. So what we're going to do, we're going to slot our connector straight down into this and then tape it back into place. Even from a distance, I should be able to hopefully do this. So again, just make sure it's all the way in there. Give it a couple of little wiggles. And then what we'll do is we'll pick this up. And again, this will just slot straight back into place. Assuming you've got the line up right. There we are. So what we'll do before we go any further, let's just press the power button. We should have some life. There, our backlights come on. And there's a HP logo. Brilliant, so that's all working. Just turn it back off again. That's off. And then we'll just screw these screws back in. So this has so far taken all of 4 minutes. These are extremely quick to do. They don't take very long at all. To be honest with you, the biggest cost is the amount of money the screen costs. The screens are about £50 on these for a decent one. I tend to get mine from a company called LCDs for less. They are what they say on the tin. They turn up very well packed, and they are just a screen. You literally type in the part number into their website off the back of the old screen, and off you go. They'll get you the right model and send it to you, which is lovely. Some of the smaller ones are quite a lot cheaper. Anything up to sort of £25–30, they're not very expensive. I'd imagine that's probably $40–50 if you're in American money. So let's just peel this one off now. Just like that. And then straight back on with our surround. Now this is literally just a get it into place and push down job. And all the connectors will just snap in. Let's get rid of all these little hairs and bits. So just a question of working your way around, really. With the bottom ones, I tend to push on the back and front of the screen at the same time. And then close the lid down and work along the bottom, just so you've got all the clips and connectors snapped in. So there's still even one now that you are. That isn't. The other thing I like to do is just give this a close and an open a couple of times, and that way, and then do the power on, and that way you know if you've caught any of the cables, which again the backlight's straight on there, and there's the HP logo. So that whole process has taken us just under 7 minutes from start to finish. As I say, this is an extremely easy and quick repair. It doesn't take any time at all to do it. It's one that even the novice repairer can do with no issue whatsoever. So again, like me, if you've got a HP Pavilion that you need to have a go at repairing the screen on, follow this guide. Really straightforward. You can pick up the screens from, as I say, LCD for Less is the one I use. eBay is a really good place to get them as long as you sort of shop around a bit. And again, Amazon's always good for that as well. So if you've liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, drop us a like, watch some of our other videos. Most importantly, press the bell icon just so you get the notifications as we release stuff. We are releasing every other day, so 10 AM every other day we'll have a new video up. So again, if you could just subscribe to us and support us, that'd be great. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.